Welcome back to the channel. So today we got the pump and we got a new choke. I want to thank Jay Bird, one of my subscribers, for sending that in, and Chuck and Stuart. I appreciate it. We're fixing to test this bad boy out versus the factory Stoker choke. This is the Gobblin Thunder. It's the 660. Today we're going to be shooting Winchester Longbeards out of the Stoker, out of the Gobblin Thunder choke. So far this thing's been very impressive over the factory choke. I'll post this video after I shoot. I did shoot these out of the stock factory choke, and these were very impressive. So I can't wait to see what it looks like out of these. So this is a 3-inch at 40 yards. Let's see what it looks like. Them are number 6s. All right, so I had a bunch of pellets on that paper. Them were number 6s. I feel like I must have pulled it a little bit over here. There's a bunch of them right here. There's about how many? I ain't even counted it yet. There's a bunch, but there's more right here. So I am at 40 yards. This is a tighter choke. No doubt that turkey would have been dead. But what I'm getting at, that choke is a whole lot tighter than that factory choke. So any kind of movement, I could have been off just a hair. But also, I'm probably gonna have to fine tune this, because this turns left and right on getting it. If I can get it in the camera. So this can move left and right and up and down. So I may need to move it just a hair over, but that's going to take a little bit more practicing before the season starts next week. But this choke makes a huge difference versus that factory choke. So hit that like and subscribe button. Go watch all the other videos. I'll see you next week.